Baby, come close to me now. Why you...
Just leave me alone.
Listen. You don't have to act like this. I expect you to understand.
Understand what? No, what do you want me to understand? Huh? Or you want me to pretend I'm happy when I'm not? You promised me the whole of today. But just look at you, want to leave, not even with the day half spent. It's Saturday, for crying out loud. It's weekend.
I understand, but I have to take care of business and it's important.
Of course it's important. Because you always make your plans without me in the picture.
I get it, but...
It's fine, just do what you want, do your wish.
Baby, you should support me. You should encourage me. You know what? I'll make it up to you. I know what to do. Give me a second. I just transferred ₦1 million to you.
Oh, thank you. I just hope you will still be around though.
I just want to handle some business and I'll come back to you. I promise you.
Now you want to bribe me. I'm not going
I'm not bribing.
Yes, you're trying to bribe me. You're trying to bribe me.
I'm not trying to bribe you. Come on, stop. I promise to make it up to you when I come back, okay? Alright?
It's alright then. Just take good care of yourself.
I'll miss you.
Yeah, I'll miss you too.
Kiss, kiss.
Alright then, let me go.
Alright.
Take care. I love you.
So what happened after?
So she got married to the second guy and they relocated to the States.
Wow. That was very mean of her. Not after the first guy took care of her and showed her so much love. Does it mean she doesn't love the guy? Or she never did?
Love was not the problem. I mean, it was obvious they loved each other. And she wanted more. I mean, she was ready to settle down. But the guy wasn't clear with his future plans. So she had to move on.
So what did he do to win her back? Or wasn't he able to do that?
He did. But it was too late. So he resorted to alcohol when it was obvious he has lost the girl. And he suffered mental related issues afterwards. So we heard.
In my opinion, that was an undeserved punishment to a good man. I mean, she was very harsh with her decisions. And it was very obvious that the man couldn't live without her.
Well, I agree with you. I agree with you, baby. But the guy didn't help matters equally. He didn't. It's always good for one to go for what he or she wants as soon as possible, rather than wait. Well, that guy is a case study.
I feel for him.
I feel for him too. But he's the architect of his own problems. I only wish people could learn from his mistakes. I feel sleepy already.
Yeah, no, that's late. Should go to bed.
Yeah, let's sleep. I could just sleep like this. Yeah.
Someone will not sleep today. Hi, handsome. I'm fine, so long there is no other woman elsewhere. Really? How are you going to prove that? What's delaying? You said you were coming soon. And soon. Yet you're not here. Or are we going to be dating on a social media? Or on a call? Oh, really? Alright, darling. Yes, my love. I can't wait to have you in my arms. I can't wait to hold you in my arms. I can't wait for you to make me feel like a real woman. Oh yes, baby. With you, my world is complete. Alright, baby. Good night. I love you. No, I love you more. I love you more. Alright. Kiss, kiss. Oh, love, one thing. It seems you have fallen head over heels with this guy. There's no match. What if you don't like his physical appearance? The dude is handsome. Handsome. Nah, let me tell you. Forget about the pictures you see on social media. They can be deceiving. They use filter, different filters and all that. Forget about it. Does it matter? Does it really matter? What matters is money, not his facial look. I don't want to know. What matters is money. This guy is loaded. His pocket is so loaded. Really? Of course. So you can actually date a monkey because of money? Jeez, Mercy. Let me tell you. My man has dual handsomeness. He's facially handsome and also financially handsome as well. Which one is dual handsomeness? Okay, facial. Well, anyway, good luck with your dual handsomeness. Thank you. Now you're talking. You know, he said he's coming soon, and he's promising me a special gift. So I'll also tell him to get you one as well. Yeah, you try your... But the gift I want right now is to sleep. I need to sleep. Please. Just allow me, Lalola. Oh, that's the special gift that I put. Since my blues is spoiling some people's reggae. Okay, now. I'll tell him not to get your gift again. You should forget about it. After all, you're not his lover. Thank you. So long I'll have my peace. Don't answer calling until tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. You really saved me today. How come you know all these connecting roads?
I was born here, I equally grew up here.
Really, it's God that sent you to me. If not, only God knows how long I will be on that traffic. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Can I have your number in case if I need any services?
Yes, now why not?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. What's the name?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, I was Sunday. Your money.
Okay, your change.
Don't worry. You can keep the change. You really tried for me today.
All right, thank you, man.
All
I
right.
appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Bye, Sunday. I'll call you.
I'm available anytime, man.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right.
My heart desire what I'm longing for. Love and riches, love and riches, love and riches, love and...
You don't mean it. Yeah, it happened before my very eyes.
Oh my God. This is hilarious. But Kashi, come to think of it,
Right.
I think you need to give her the assurance she craves for. Or don't you love her well enough to walk her down the altar?
How could you say a thing like that? You know I love her so much.
Then what happened to ask the question? The story might look staged, but you have to take out some sense out of it. Or is there something you're not telling me?
Come on, bro. What could I possibly hide from you? She's my world.
Why not walk so fast and make her your world before another guy makes her his world too? Perhaps something related to that story might be on the cards.
You think so?
Yes.
You think so?
Yes, it's 5%. Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Hey, babe. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm here in the office. You don't sound well. What's wrong? Okay. I'm here. I'm waiting for you. Just come. Okay, good. She called me.
I hope there's no problem.
She's okay. Yeah. Hey, can I get you something to drink?
No, I'm okay. I'm good, bro.
You're sure?
I'm fine.
All right.
Thanks.
What is going on here? Ebere, what's the meaning of this? Why is your clothes scattered all over the place?
Well, Masi, I am going for a weekend and I'm trying to see if I can get some dress I will use. But it's obvious I need a change of wardrobe.
Yes, I can see that. Indeed, you need a change of wardrobe. So you mean to tell me that the clothes you have, both the ones you bought last week or so, they are old and odd, simply because of your Abuja social media boyfriend, right?
Ma, you have to take it easy on me.
Okay.
First, we're meeting on Saturday. And all this your social media sarcasm is going to stop. Secondly, I need to look very attractive and expensive to befit his status. I wouldn't want him to see me as inferior, you know.
I know. Well, my dear friend, it's your date after all. But let me advise you. Don't try to steal. Don't try to break the ban simply because you want to look expensive for your date.
Well, thank you so much for your advice, my dear friend. But I want you to know one thing. It is my relationship. It is also my date. So allow me handle it my own self. Sure. I was meant to ask you, can I have some cash from you?
Leave me alone. What's the meaning of that? Eh, Bere, you know better not to ask me of money at this time. What? Are you trying to mock me?
Oh, I am so sorry, my dear friend. I forgot that this particular friend of mine has decided to make herself an NGO to catch potato who is wallowing in a dreamland of emptiness.
Ebere, just stop it. I don't blame you. No, Ebere, keep laughing. Laugh. You're mad, obviously. Keep laughing. I don't blame you. I blame myself for standing here and listening to the rubbish you're saying. It's not your fault. No, it's not your fault, Eden.
I'm only joking, my friend. Mercy. Mercy, I'm sorry, I'm only joking. Why do you have to take it serious?
Alright. I'll expect your call. Alright, thank you. Hello. You look sad, babe. What's wrong?
It's my brother.
Your brother? Okay. What's wrong with him?
He bought a stolen laptop.
Okay. Ooh, okay.
And the police apprehended the boys that stole the laptop. And they indicted my brother as an accomplice. But later on, they said the truth.
Okay. In that case, you should be happy that your brother is safe.
I know, but that's the problem. The problem is that my brother bought the laptop at a very low price.
Okay.
And he didn't get a receipt. And the police are saying that my brother is aware that the laptop was stolen.
Oh.
So now they want to charge my brother to court.
Really?
As a criminal or an aid to the criminal. And I do not want us to go. I don't want to go through that route.
Okay.
They are demanding for 300,000 naira. I mean, where do I get the money from? Where?
How can I help?
I want to send the money to them. Well, I am cash strapped at the moment. I don't have up to that. That's because I just recently bought some wares for my online store. And
I'll give you the money.
You give me the money?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because you look like an old woman when you frown.
Stop it.
No, but I'm serious. You need to see yourself when you frown, when you're sad. You look old.
Tell me what I'll do without you.
Nothing. But seriously, I'll give you the money, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You see why I love you.
Yeah, I
You're
don't want...
the absolute best.
I don't want you looking like an old woman.
Okay, fine.
What are you doing? Can we go for lunch?
Oh, honey, that would be so nice. But I have to get back to the office. I'm sorry.
Alright, I'll just make one call and
okay.
I'll get back to you. Give me a second.
Alright.
Just sort something out.
Okay.
Freedom lover! Freedom!
This one you are laughing like this. Are you sure you have not kissed your celebrity crush? What's going on?
Freedom lover! Take it easy, see my
And why is a bearer's face like this and you're laughing? What's going on? Can someone... Mercy, hold on. Can someone just... Okay. You're beginning to make me laugh right now.
You have to laugh.
Can someone say something? Why are you laughing? What's the problem?
Sorry. Mercy.
Stop putting me on suspense. What's it?
Mercy, calm down. Tell her what happened today.
What happened?
Hey, my love, I'll tell you.
I'm listening. What?
A lot happened.
Tomorrow go better, I'll be more. Look at the future is brighter. Don't be distracted with what you see today. Macaulay-Idibia, tell on man, Onwaronye mechi, love and riches. Some they go for love. You choose.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking all over for you.
I'm here. I'm right here.
Where did you go to?
Nowhere. How are you?
I'm alright. So can we go now?
Did you miss me?
You know I always miss you, right?
Guess what?
What? What?
Close your eyes. But before that...
Babe, stop.
Here you go.
This looks really nice. Thank you. This is what you wait to get for me.
You like it?
Aren't you the sweetest? Thank you. I love it.
Shut your eyes.
My eyes?
Shut your eyes.
Okay,
Come on.
okay.
Don't you trust me?
I trust you.
All right,
So
then
my
close
eyes
your
are
eyes.
closed.
Close? You sure? You sure?
Yes. What?
Keep them closed.
I'm waiting.
Open. Will you marry me?
Yes! A big yes! Oh, baby! Oh my God!
I love you.
I love you so much.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Love and riches. From the go for love, you choose to go for riches. You don't see what you do yourself. Love and riches. Love and riches. Yeah.
Papa, baby. Please, you have to teach me this Snapchat though. That filter you normally use. So I will follow you and be sharp now.
Eh? Teach yourself now.
Yeah. The big vessel.
You can't teach yourself.
Sharp, baby, be coming down.
Hey. Okay, what's going on?
Are we having a funeral?
It's even more than a funeral when some people started taking others for granted and making them look invisible.
Seems like I have the wrong house. I think I need to go look for my own home.
And some people are not going to find the house they seek or home they seek till they stop being childish and start explaining why they have been rejecting their calls and did not tell anyone where they went to.
Don't you think this drama is too much for the newest bride-to-be?
Oh my God! He proposed? Of course he did! And I was just about to give you girls the good news, but you girls are just here frowning your faces.
Sweetheart!
Oh my God!
I'm so happy for you! This is beautiful!
Thank you!
Sit, baby! Sit!
Oh, fine!
Yes, I'm happy for you too. But this isn't enough reason to be ignoring our calls. At least you'd have taken our calls and tell us the good news on the phone.
You know?
Your besties.
We'll start celebrating from house.
We besties.
Anyways,
I apologize.
You know what? Apology accepted! Please tell us, baby. How did he propose? Was he standing? Was he kneeling? We would like to hear it. How did he propose?
Oh yes. What was his line?
Yes.
What was his choice of words? Was he romantic? Or he just proposed? Or he just proposed on impulse?
On impulse? Barry, why would you even say a thing like that?
I am just saying no, because there's this feelings when your man take his time to plan his engagement or his proposal before doing it, not just waking up one morning and said, let me just propose to her. What is this feeling now? Come on.
Hey Barry, I know you can be crazy at times, but this carries some deep meaning.
It's okay. I mean, it wouldn't have even mattered anyways.
because you all know Kachi to be a sweet guy.
Yes, gentle guy.
So his proposal was nothing short and sweet.
Aww.
It was so romantic. He practically took me to the land of ecstasy.
Aww.
This sensation was just out of this
I
world.
know.
So tell us, how did he propose and where in particular?
Yes, where? In front of the mall. I was just standing there waiting endlessly to see his handsome face. And then... Babe! 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 Baby!
Yeah.
Babe! Oh.
Hey, babe. Good morning. How are you?
Fine. You're up early.
Yes, I'm up. And guess what?
What?
I made breakfast.
You did?
Yes, I did.
You made breakfast?
Of course.
Oh, aren't you the sweetest?
My queen must be treated with so much love.
And you are definitely treating me like a queen.
I know. So do you want to see
Of course I
what I
do.
prepared?
Of
Sure.
course. I hope it's something nice. I would like.
Hello, good morning. Okay, I'm his assistant, yeah. He's not on seat right now. It's Saturday, he usually don't come to work early. I hope there is no problem. Yes. Yeah, I'm away. We're expecting it by next week. I should check our email. You mean the company email? Okay, alright. What? What's this? Oh my. I need to call Kachi right now. And this is serious. Pick your call! Pick your this guy! Pick your call. What am I going to do right now? What am I going to do right now? This is serious. What will I do? Pick this call.
Emeka, what is wrong with you? You're just restless. You're even lost in thought. What is your problem? I get it. You need money, right? You need money. For how long will you continue like this? For how long?
Babe, you know this is not my wish. It's just that I'm having a bad time. But trust me, I'm working really hard to turn things around for us. You just have to calm down for me.
You're working really hard. But I'm not seeing the results. I am not. Show me the results.
Babe, I understand why you feel this way. Trust me, I really do. I know that things are not really going well for me this time. But trust me, I have full trust and faith in my project. And I'm very sure that it will certainly click. You just exercise some patience for me, please. Here you go.
Okay. What do you want me to do then?
Baby, see, I have an appointment to pitch my creation with the Demis Engineering next week, Monday. So I'll be needing some fund.
You need money?
Yes.
How much are we talking about?
Like 150,000.
150,000 naira? Emeka, where do you expect me to get that kind of money from? 100...
Baby, calm down. I know 150,000 is too much.
It's too much.
But the thing is that you are my only hope. Oh. Baby, you are my only hope. I don't know who to meet to ask for such an amount of money. Please. Please help me.
You know what, Emeka? Please, you have to go. Let me think about it.
Alright, I understand.
Go.
I will call you.
I know you definitely will call.
I'll call you.
Go first, go. Let me go now, just go. Hey! Masi Chuku. This is not what I bargained for. 150,000 naira.
Hello, Kachi. Yes, but I am not in the office right now. I was calling you for something very urgent. Okay, don't worry. I'll be driving down to your house right now. Yes, very urgent, yes. Okay. Alright, I'm coming. Oh God. I hope this thing ends good.
Mercy. Why is your face like this? What happened? Did anyone hurt you outside? Did they say anything bad to you?
Hey, please. Just let me be. I would like to be left alone.
I should let you be. Why? So I'm now a disturbance.
Please, as you can see, I don't even have strength. Leave me alone now. Leave me. I don't have time for your troubles.
Oh, so I'm now troublesome. I'm now troublesome. For wanting to know what is wrong with my friend. I'm now a troublesome fellow. Okay. I get. Anytime you behave this way, that means that your stupid couch potato boyfriend has visited. Probably must have asked you for money.
Baby, please now, just go. Open no matter now. Is it?
I'll leave you. I'll leave you. But don't come crying to me. When that your stupid so-called boyfriend milk you dry. Because I won't be there to comfort you. I've told you my own. I have to even rest a little before I prepare for my appointment. If you like, help your life. If you don't like, leave.
Love and riches. From the go for love, you choose to go for riches. You don't see what you do yourself. Love and riches. Love and riches. Yeah. Love and riches. She just for what she will eat today alone. Love and riches. She forgot about tomorrow. Love and riches. You have seen that great things don't come easily. Anybody who desires
Wait. Are you kidding me right
No,
now?
nah.
Do people still do that in this time and age?
Of course they do.
Really?
And I don't blame them. Listen, tradition is important. Culture is important. People need to learn to embrace their heritage. It's very important as Africans.
Oh no, you didn't say that. Wait, are you telling me that with all your education, all your exposure, you still believe in this barbaric tradition?
It's not barbaric. Listen.
It is.
We are Africans. Okay? No, but you have to look at it from the...
I feel...
Hey, good morning. What's up, bro? Good morning.
Hi, Chidi. Good morning.
Can I sit with you? Privately? No, but it's okay.
Babe, it's fine. I'll just go upstairs.
Alright. See what? Let's go through it. What? How? This is a joke.
Are they still not picking up?
No! The number is switched off!
Ha!
All my money gone.
Chidi, how come about this? How did this happen?
I don't know. I went to his office to check a certain file. My phone rang and the person asked me to check our mail. It seems fraudsters were impersonating their company.
How? I don't understand this. Babe, is this the first time you're doing business with those people?
We've done business with them twice. The first business, we made profit. So Kashi decided to throw all his weight on the product. Oh, you never knew it was a bet.
So what do we do? Look, we need to get them arrested. We have to get them arrested. You have their address, right? I mean, from the previous transactions. We need to look for them and get them arrested.
Yes, the address belongs to the original company. The syndicate hacked into their system and were defrauding people. The company had a lead on the activity and they sent mails to all their customers. Besides, we were a bit skeptical on the prices they quoted on their products. I just hope the company tracks them down.
How did this happen? No. Oh, goodness. Babe. Oh, goodness. Babe. Babe. Honey, babe. What's wrong with you? It's okay. Chidi, what's wrong with him?
Kashi, what is it?
Babe!
Kashi?
Babe! What's wrong with him?
Kachi!
You can't do this. Babe! Doctor, how is he?
He actually passed out as a result of shock. But do not worry. He will be fine by the time he wakes up.
Doctor, are you sure? I mean, he has been like this for a long time now. Are you sure he'll be fine?
Like I said before, he needs rest. Adequate rest. By the time he wakes up, he will be fine. But if I may ask, what actually happened?
Doctor, it's a long story.
Can you make it brief?
He got duped, and a large sum of money was involved.
Anyways, I can imagine, but he needs as much rest as he can get. So do not worry, he will be fine. Do not hesitate to call me if you notice anything strange.
Sure will.
Thank you, Doctor. You heard what the doctor said. He said you'll be fine. And I believe him. I know you'll be fine. Okay? Just stay strong for me. Please. You know that I love you so much. I don't want to lose you.
It's alright, Uju. It's alright, eh? Kashi is going to be fine. You heard the doctor. Just allow him to rest for now. And get a hold of yourself, okay? Everything is going to be okay. Huh?
How could he make such grievous mistake? I mean, what was he thinking?
Quick money.
What do you mean quick money? The guy is super rich already.
Have you ever heard of money making limits? I mean, from the story Uju told us, it's obviously greedy. That's why he fell into this guy's trap. Simple.
Oh, really? What are you saying? What do you know about business? Obviously, the business you know is give and take. That's why you open your mouth and castigate somebody.
I don't know. But I think he's been into this business for a very long time, so he obviously fell into those guys' cheap tricks because he is greedy.
Hey. I mean, what do you know about business? Be calming down now. Look at what you're saying with your mouth at this time. You don't even care that his fiancé is here. Eh? Filter your words. So, how is he feeling now? How is he taking it?
I don't know. I don't just know. He's just lying on the bed, facing the ceiling, with tears coming out of his eyes endlessly. My man is in a hopeless state. There is no hope.
Come on. There's still hope. You don't have to say that. The only thing you need to do is to be strong for your man. Give him hope. You can't just sit here and say there is no hope. There is hope. He can still bounce back. Okay?
We're engaged to be married soon. And now all of this is happening. Where do we start from? Where? Everything was going so perfect. Everything was going so well. And now this.
It's okay, like I said. He will be fine. Everyone is going through the same thing. He's not the first person to go through this. And he's not going to be the last. The only thing you need to do is to give him hope. I know it's not going to be easy. But you have to try. Okay? Be strong. Everything will be fine.
I hope this doesn't get harder than it looks. But regardless, you have to be strong for us.
Yes.
Just know that we love you and will always be there for you. Okay? Thank you.
Be strong.
It's okay.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hi, handsome.
Is the sun not too hot for you ladies, for your beautiful skin? I mean, you can hop in the car with me. I can take you wherever you want to go. Just say where you want to go.
Sure, Uju. Let's go. What?
No problem.
I don't mind her. She just sat over something else. If you don't mind, can you drop me off?
No. The offer is off. I was giving you the offer because of her. Now, if she doesn't want it, it's off. But I can give you a new offer. If only I can reach her through you, I will give you a huge cash reward. Can you take up the offer?
Okay, sure. What arrogance! So I'm only good as a bet. Well, his looks have met before now. What was that? Can we go? What was that?
Can we go?
So you're enjoying this one?